The global opioid crisis continues to escalate. One of the most devastating effects of this epidemic is neonatal abstinence syndrome, describing the withdrawal symptoms that infants of opioid-using mothers experience after birth. There has been a 200% increase in NAS diagnoses from 2010 to 2017, and treatment for this illness costs the United States healthcare system upwards of $563 million each year.
Chrysalis is a team of 4 bioengineers designing a smart swaddle that will revolutionize the way NAS is treated. This design will more effectively soothe infants, ease the burden of care for overworked nurses, and lower the hospital costs by decreasing pharmaceutical intervention.
The current standard of care is to wean infants off of morphine or methadone over the first few weeks of life, but because these drugs can have detrimental long-term effects, there's been a push towards non-pharmaceutical treatment. The Eat, Sleep, Console method is the current gold standard for promoting non-pharmaceutical NAS treatment, but its extensive documentation prevents it from being implemented in many hospitals. Chrysalis aims to monitor biometric signals and provide soothing vibrational treatment to distressed infants. If the swaddle detects that the infant is waking up, an automatic gentle vibrational sequence will lull the infant back to sleep. If the infant is crying, nurses can administer a stronger interventive vibrational sequence meant to soothe discomfort. An iOS application interfaces with the swaddle, which allows nurses to remotely control the vibrational sequences for multiple infants, as well as streamline ESC documentation and monitor other infant vitals such as heart rate, feeding time, and sleep schedule. Thus far, we have created a minimum viable product consisting of a physical sewn swaddle integrated with a circuit containing all electronic elements, and a basic app prototype that can remotely control the vibration patterns. We are currently in the midst of transferring our circuitry from a traditional protoboard to a combinatorial printed circuit board and e-textile circuitry system to decrease the bulkiness of the product and render the system waterproof. Current obstacles include barriers to rigorous testing. In the future, we hope to advance device testing by acquiring IRB approval to test the product in the NICU of local inner-city hospitals.
In the future, we hope to integrate our Chrysalis Smart Swaddle and accompanying app system into current NAS infant care and nurse workflow. We hope to do this by providing soothing vibrational sequences to treat NAS symptoms and by simplifying ESC documentation to alleviate the burden on our healthcare heroes. Here at Chrysalis, we hope to provide the best possible care to minimize the amount of harm NAS causes to infants, nurses, and hospitals.